If you are looking to stop recurring charges on your Revolut account, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage and cancel those subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your financial information. Step 2. Navigate to Payments. Once in the app, tap on the Payments tab located at the bottom of the screen. This section will allow you to view all your transactions and subscriptions. Step 3. Access subscriptions. In the Payments section, look for the Subscriptions option. This will display a list of all your active subscriptions and recurring payments linked to your account. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Scroll through the list and find the subscription you wish to cancel. Tap on it to view more details about the payment and its frequency. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. On the subscription details page, you will find an option to cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation message to ensure the cancellation was successful. By following these steps, you can easily manage and stop any recurring charges on your Revolut account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Revolut's customer support for help.